Today we have a Samsung A24. It has a problem with the Type-C charging socket. First, remove the back cover and screws, then the frame. Next, remove the charging board. Now begin the process of replacing the socket. Make sure the solder has melted, then remove the old socket. Remove the excess solder and put clean solder on the board. Now for the replacement process. We make sure all the socket lags are sticking to the board. Then put solder to the side and back of the charging socket. Then put the charging board back and check that the phone is charging. Put the frame and screws back. Clean the frame of the old glue. Put new glue on the frame, then reattach the back cover. Use rubber band for the back cover. Check again that the device supports fast charging. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.